Welcome to my channel. I have a cold. I'm gonna do like the singles cruise challenge type of a thing. I've seen quite a few people do it and it looks like fun, so I want to try it. I tried palette bingo, but I don't know, that wasn't really my thing, I guess. But I have all of my singles in this bin. It is clear, but I'm gonna draw without like looking. I'm just gonna like shoot and grab all of them from this bin because all of my bags are tiny. I don't have big enough bags where they're all spread out evenly enough, so that's how I'm gonna do it. I have all of my ColourPop and like all of my like samples that I've received in like Ipsy and my other subscriptions in here, and anything that I've purchased, all of it is in here. So, except the bags, I didn't put like my little baggies, like the free with purchase things like this, unless I've put them in like a clamshell. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and just like get to it. So like the rules are that you have to draw like 3 shadows, 3 or 4, and you have to use those in the look, but you can use whatever other things you want, like glitters and eyeliners and all that. So okay, I'm gonna do it just a little bit differently. I'm gonna draw 5 and I'm going to use 3 of the 5. That way I can draw, or I can like look at what it is and kind of give myself a little bit of leeway. And who knows, maybe I'll draw a complete set of disaster eyeshadows, or who knows, maybe I'll draw 5 really awesome shadows and I'll use them all. But I don't know, it's my channel and that's how I'm doing it. So, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to draw all the shadows. I'm nervous. Okay. The first shadow is Hammered by ColourPop. I hope I don't just like draw all ColourPop shadows. Okay, the next is also ColourPop. It's Girly. That's annoying. The next is Broad by Beauty Bar Baby, which is a really pretty red. And the next is ColourPop Puppy Love, which has the cute little... Okay, so I need one more eyeshadow. Wow, okay. And the next one is Imminence from Tooth and Nail Cosmetics. This came as a palette. It came in the Thermal Matte palette, but mine came broken, so I depotted it and put it in a clamshell thing. Imminence by Tooth and Nail Cosmetics. It's like a mustard yellow, which I know a lot of people really are into that color. The next one is Puppy Love, which is like really pretty. It's like, I don't really know how to describe it. It's a pearlescent, I think it is. Yeah, pearlized finish. These aren't really opaque, but they just add like a sheen, like a highlight type of a thing. Or Baby Broad, which is a really pretty red. It's got like gold sparkles in it. Or it's right here. This one is more golden. It reminds me of camouflage because it's like green with gold and green and blue sparkle. It just reminds me of like old camouflage or something because I really like that red. A little bit of eminence on this fluffy brush hand. Bit of my e.l.f. makeup lock and seal. I guess this brush will do. I'm going to take it on this brush and get broad. A little bit wet because I want the sparkle to be there. I'm going to take this dark red from my BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, back to Eminence. These colors are like maybe just a tiny bit more of the red. And just to add some more warmth, I'm going to take this orange in the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Small fluffy brush. Blend it right in between the red and the yellow. it on the inner corner. Now I'm going to do my face. Okay, I'm gonna use the yellow eyeliner because it's kind of yellowy orange. A bit more of eminence and run that along here. First I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeliner on here, just along. Maybe I went too far with the wing, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I really like. I wasn't expecting to like it, but I do. Okay, just to make the bottom lash line kind of match, I'm going to just take some black eyeshadow from the Beach Cosmetics thing palette. I'm just going to smudge a little bit. I use my makeup lock and seal just a drop, and I'm going to take cadmium from Tooth and Nail Cosmetics. I'm just going to add dots. Okay, I have my lashes on. It's like a curtain call or something. They're like flapping. Oh, I think that's all I want to do. I don't think I want to do anything else. To the eyes anyway. Yeah, I think the eyes are, I think they're good. But this is it for like the finished video. My eyes look huge. Okay, well anyway, thanks for watching. It was fun. I think I'm gonna like continue doing it like maybe as like a thing, like a series or something. Maybe, I don't know. But I had fun. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna turn out to be. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.